I counted every day, every night, just to come back to you.
Every overtime, every lonely night, I was building our tomorrow.
Frank, why? After all I did for us.
What is she doing here, babe?
Emma, I can
I sent you my life. You gave it to someone else.
Frank, you betrayed me? After all I did for us?
The short story you just watched was created using completely free AI tools. And right now, you might be wondering, how can I do the same? The truth is, you can start today, even if you've never made a video before. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a simple 3-step workflow to create your own animated stories, short films, or even viral AI videos. But before we dive in, imagine this: your characters coming to life, speaking with emotion. Your ideas are turning into real, watchable stories. If that excites you, make sure you stick till the end. You don't want to miss this. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, because this could completely change the way you create content. Step 1. Generate your script with ChatGPT. Every great story starts with a script, so head over to ChatGPT. For this example, I used a short story about betrayal. Here's the exact idea I gave. Write a short, emotional story about betrayal. Frank and Emma were dating before she traveled abroad for a better life. While away, she kept sending money to Frank to build their future, only to return home and discover he was getting married to someone else. And just like that, ChatGPT generated the story. But here's where most people get it wrong. Don't just ask for a basic story. Instead, ask for a screenplay format with scene breakdowns, character dialogue, emotions, and image prompts. This is exactly what I did, and it made everything so much easier. Now you have a complete structure ready to go. Step 2. Generate your images. Next, let's bring the images to life visually. Simply copy each image prompt from ChatGPT and generate your images. You can even do this directly inside ChatGPT. I tested tools like Gemini and Whisk, but personally, I used ChatGPT because it gave me what I wanted. Here are the images. Once your images are ready, just click and save them to your device. If you're getting value so far, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future videos. And if you want the exact prompt I used, type prompt in the comments. If you want my image style, type image style. Step 3. Bring your characters to life. Now for the fun part, making our characters talk. We'll be using a tool called Digen. This tool is powerful, beginner-friendly, and gives you 120 free credits daily, which means you can create multiple clips every day. Here's how it works. I will click here to upload the image, paste the dialogue from ChatGPT. For example, Frank, you betrayed me after everything I did for us? Click Generate, and just like that, your character comes to life.
A few moments later.
Let's listen to this.
Frank, why? After all I did for us.
How amazing is that? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Pro tip: remove watermarks. If your video has a watermark, don't worry. Here's a quick fix. Go to your browser, search for magiceraser.org, upload your video or frame, highlight the watermark, and click Remove. And just like that, clean video. Download and you're good to go. Keep your dialogue short, under 10 seconds. AI lip sync works best with short, clear sentences. Once your script is ready, extract each character's lines, save them in a notepad or directly inside Digen. This keeps everything organized and smooth. Take a moment right now. Think about a story you've always wanted to create. A hero, a villain, a story about love, trust, or betrayal. You can bring it to life today. Bonus tip: fixing lip sync issues. If the lips don't match perfectly, shorten the sentence. Avoid complex words. Small tweaks make a big difference. Final recap. In just 3 steps, you can create your own AI videos. 1. ChatGPT, script plus images. 2. Digen, talking characters. 3. CapCut, or any editor. Combine everything, and your video is ready. Your stories deserve to be seen. Don't wait for perfect tools. You already had everything you need. Drop your questions in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to create full AI short films with multiple characters. Now, go create something amazing. See you at the top.